Gomti district is a unique district of Tripura. We are having the coexistence of ADC and non-ADC areas, wherein Bengali and tribal population are residing together. In 2011 census, the Government of India had published the figures for sex ratio and child sex ratio. As per those figures, actually Gomti district was on a average lower than the state of Tripura. The sex ratio overall was 959, whereas in the state it was 961, and child sex ratio was 940, which was also lower than the state average of 953. So in last 2-3 years, Gomti district administration has taken lot of initiatives for improving the position of girl child and women in our district. Save the Girl Child under PCPNDT Act has been taken forward by all the departments, with major contribution from Social Welfare and Education Department and Health Department. So I would like to emphasize on one specific initiative which we have taken at the district level, which we have called Nandini. Nandini is a character of a novel written by Shri Rabindranath Tagore. That character represents freedom and power. So with that motive of empowering the girl child and women in our district, we had started that initiative in 2014, somewhere in August-September, as per the decision of District Advisory Committee of PCPNDT Act. After that, I am very happy to share that in January 2015, Gomti district was included amongst the 100 pilot districts by Ministry of Women and Child Development under Beti Bachao Beti Padhao scheme. Under that scheme, there have been various programs which have been conducted at the district level. Under our special initiative of Nandini, we have dedicated a special park which is called Rabindra Udyan in the Udaipur Municipal Council to the girl child. There have been lot of awards given by not only the district administration but also by Health, Social Welfare and Education Department, which we are terming as Nandini Award. They are given to the ideal girl child at Anganwadi centers, the meritorious girl students, then in ASHA, to ASHA, Anganwadi workers and social workers, sports personnel. So that ways we are trying to ensure a wider coverage up to the Gram Panchayat level. Also in our district complex, we have opened a crèche which is dedicated to the children of women workers or the employees in not only in the DM office but all the nearby offices which are located in the DM office complex. So with all these initiatives, what we are seeing as per the provisional data of HMIS for 2015-16, now the SRB, sex ratio at birth, now it is standing at 970 at the district level, which is very heartening, and also our initiatives have been recognized recently at the Ministry of Women and Child Development. They have invited me for sharing our initiative at the national level in their national conference on 19th April. Also on this Civil Service Day by Government of Tripura, our initiative Nandini was recognized as one of the best practices in the state government, and I was very happy to share my initiatives with the state government officials. So we are moving in a very positive direction, and also one more achievement from our district was under the Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana, for which Department of Post had felicitated Gomti district in the entire northeastern region. So I am very hopeful that in next few coming years, our motto of saving the girl child and celebrating her and promoting her education and promoting the overall women welfare, that will go forward, and we should see a very positive result in the next census of 2021. And I extend my thanks to all the departments in the district who have wholeheartedly contributed to this cause.